Today might be one of the hardest, toughest I've faced on Slick Slime renovations! Cinderella here isn't going to a ball anytime soon. I'm gonna turn this pauper into a princess. Her life is about to be flipped upside down.
You know I'm sitting right here and I can hear you.
Oopsie! Pete, can we redo that take? Fine, let's get started. We're rolling. So, this is my vision for Cindy's castle. I want turrets, lots of turrets, and a dragon. Home security is pretty important, you know.
Let's better stick to the usual crafting techniques, Sammy. We'll start with this jar. It will be a perfect base for the castle.
Whoa! She'll have a great view from up here.
A princess deserves a little style. So that's what we're going to give her.
I chased those blueprints all over the garden. I'm so unfit and sweaty, Sue!
You need to dry off? There are some kitchen towels beside you.
Thanks. This is just what I need, but one sheet won't do it.
This castle will be the envy of all the other princesses. I just know it. Sam, what is going on here? Are you okay?
Hey! Uh-oh. It's out of control. It's got a mind of its own.
Oh.
Great. This could be perfect for our castle turrets. Great job! Although one is not enough. Voila! We better give the castle some nice windows. So Cinderella can look for her Prince Charming.
Look, Sue, I'm a mummy. I'm going to scare Roger.
And I will create shadows around the edge of the windows. It just adds a little detail, and that's what we want. Gold window frames? Yes! Cinderella deserves the best! Wow, this looks great. Look at them sparkle. There we go! Let's continue the gold theme. It looks so chic.
That was great! Roger saw my mummy costume and shouted for his mommy.
It's looking pretty good, huh? But we still have a lot to do.
It's amazing, Sue! My blueprints are coming to life! I'm a genius!
That's it, Sam. Your vision is coming to life. I love it. We need something to seal the edges of the spires.
I really need to wear more jewelry. I am looking good. Hey!
This is just what we need.
And just like that, my style was gone. Oh, well.
You don't need flashy jewelry to stand out, Sam. You always shine in my eyes. But we do need a flag for the top of the spire. Do you think you could rustle something up?
I'll do it right after I finish my soda. Wait, the straw. That'll do the trick.
Thanks, Sammy. I knew I could count on you. Now, let's work on the doorway. I mean, how else will Cinderella get inside?
Behold, everyone. I think I'm in a jousting competition. Who's my opponent?
It's me. Prepare for battle, Slime Sam.
Hey, is everything okay back there? I'm getting worried.
It's all under control. Trust me. Charge! Ah! Ouch! I think I need a minute, Sue.
I'm not even gonna ask. I found it's better that way. Now, Cinderella can get in and out of her castle. Sammy did a great job with these. I'm impressed. We don't want this castle falling down, right? Sam's reputation as a builder would be ruined. Speaking of Sam, where is he? It's so quiet. I hope he's okay.
Never been better, Sue. Check out this awesome crown I found. This crown would look amazing as a centerpiece.
Oh, that's very generous of you. That's it. The castle is finished. We did great.
No, it's not quite right. We need some greenery.
Whoa! Sammy, you were right. It's much better this way.
Now it's fit for a princess. But our show isn't over. Cindy needs a ride. What do you think, Sue? Cinderella will look so cool pulling up to a ball in this car.
I have a better idea. Our girl needs to arrive in style. She's a princess after all. We should make her a fancy carriage.
Sounds good, Sue. Cindy and I are going for a drive. Bye-bye!
Just don't be too long. I'm gonna need your help. Oh, I'm so jealous of Cinderella. I would love a carriage. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll have one of my own. I'll add strips around the bottle just like that. And check this out. So pretty. I wonder where Sam has gone after all. It's been a while. Wow, this will be one classy carriage. A few more details will really make it stand out. I want this carriage to take people's breath away.
Sue, we're back. What did I miss?
Not much, actually. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was a double feature of my greatest hits. Cinderella loved it.
Sounds amazing. But where is Cinderella?
She's telling all her princess friends about me. I'm kind of a celebrity around these parts.
Can you help me now?
I sure do.
But I must say, you have quite an ego, Sammy.
Try telling that to Roger.
This is perfect. But what's this carriage missing, Sammy?
An entertainment system, right? What do you say?
No, not quite. It needs wheels.
It reminds me of candy. I need to raid the kitchen. Stack.
You can never have enough gold. At least that's what I think.
All this crafting is hungry work. Luckily, I've got my lollipops.
Ooh, you've inspired me, Sammy. Thanks.
Isn't that what I always do, Sue? Some people say I have a gift.
This can be the axle for the carriage. Perfect fit. All that's left to do is to place the carriage on top. Wonderful. Any princess would be proud of this.
The carriage is ready, but can think of one more thing to do.
Don't you think we did great here?
Nope, you are forgetting something, Sue. It's makeover time. Yay!
That's right. How about a new hair color? What do you think?
Cinderella should be a blonde, but her eyes better be blue.
Excellent choice, Sam. It will really suit her.
You work on that, Sue. I'll go find a perfect outfit. Here's my designer's choice. Let's see. No way. This won't do. I'm going to have to create something brand new. What do we have here? It's time to let the creativity flow.
Whoa! Look at those eyes, friends. They're totally stunning. No makeover is complete without lipstick. I love the shade.
Yes, this might be some of my finest work yet.
A hairband will keep Cinderella's hair looking on point. And we shouldn't forget about the gloves, too.
Now I will make my masterpiece even better. Whee!
Wow, so beautiful. You look like a queen.
You look great. You'll be the belle of the ball. Well, it's been another successful Slick Slime renovation. We've turned Cindy from a ragtag gal to a perfect princess. Huh? You haven't found your Prince Charming yet? This is a renovation show, not a dating show. What? Really? Pete the cameraman? You've got to be kidding me.
Actually, I don't mind.
Oh, okay. Pete, meet Cindy. Cindy, meet Pete. Ha! That was easy. Now go! Go!
Wow, thanks, Sammy. We'll be so happy together.